In this video, I'll show you step by step how to record Samsung screen phone. So if you want to record screen on your Samsung phone, let me show you step by step how to do it. First step, after you open the Samsung, now swipe down your mobile phone like this. After you swipe down, now you tap on this. Now you tap on this pencil icon at the top. So after you tap on this pencil icon, tap on this edit button. So after you tap on the edit, now at the bottom, if you scroll to down, so now you scroll to down, now you swipe to right like this and go to right like this. So if your phone has the screen recorder like this one, so now tap on the screen recorder. Now you drag it to this option. So after you select the screen recorder, now here is the screen recorder. So the next thing to do, you tap on this down button. So after you tap on the down button, then now you swipe down like this. So and then you just swipe to right. So here, as you can see, now here is my screen recorder. If I want to record my screen, I'll just tap on the screen recorder. So from there, your screen will start recording. And that's it, guys, on how to screen record on Samsung mobile phone. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.